Hello all, in this video I am going to show you how easy it is to enable SBC-CNC software on our Raspberry Pi. We will go to SBC-CNC website, and from the download page we will be downloading the image and as well as the SBC-CNC application. We will extract the Raspbian image. To write the image to the SD card, we will use the Raspberry Pi image writer software. You can download this for free from the Raspbian website. After downloading and installing the Raspbian image writer, you can now write the Raspbian image to the SD card. While selecting the image, scroll down to the bottom and use custom option to write the Raspbian image to the SD card. I am using a 16 GB SD card for my Raspberry Pi. After the image writing is finished, you can remove the SD card from your PC and connect the SD card to your Raspberry Pi and boot it up. After your Raspberry Pi is booted, you'll be seeing a old SBC-CNC software on the desktop. Since the Raspberry Pi image is uploaded quite a long back, this application is old and we need to update it with the latest application which you have downloaded. Here I am using a USB drive to copy the SBC-CNC application from my Windows PC to the Raspberry Pi. The simplest way is you can connect your Raspberry Pi to the internet and you can directly download the SBC-CNC application from Raspberry Pi itself. In case if a Raspberry Pi is not connected to the internet, you can use a USB drive to copy the application to the SBC-CNC folder. Only for the first time you will be seeing this error. This is because of the permission settings. We need to modify the SBC-CNC application permissions so that it can be executed. Your SBC-CNC software is installed and now you can control your CNC machine. Whenever you have any new update of SBC-CNC application, you need to just download the application and overwrite the old application in the SBC-CNC folder.